it's Lisa, and this is Upcycle into Art. On this channel, I will show you how to use everyday items and turn them into unique and chic pieces of art that you can use every day. In today's project, we're going to make a trendy faux stone dish that you can use to put makeup or fruits and veggies on. And I'm making it from a tomato carton container that you would have normally thrown out. Let's get started. I found this project to be very versatile. You can use it for a lot of things, and with the color scheme, it can go with a lot of different motifs and designs. And please leave in the comments down below what the difficulties were and what you liked or disliked about it. Can't wait to hear from you. Please tag us on Instagram if you did this project. I want to see what it looks like on your end. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa and welcome to... Please tag us. Don't forget to follow also.